children work out why these young people are here, why they decided to come to Ireland? What did they want to do? Anybody hear that? Anya?
To learn the other side of it.
Yes, but they came for a specific reason. They wanted to play something. Orla. They wanted to play Gaelic football. They play Gaelic football in Brittany. You remember the men? You remember the footballers who came a couple of years ago? Gaetan and Owens? They play Gaelic football in Brittany. Tongi knew the first group, and his children also play Gaelic football in Brittany. We had all the Irene tell Gaelic. How many Gaelic footballers we have? Okay. And how many hurlers do we have? How many monkeys do we have? So we have hurlers, camogies, and Gaelic football. And Drumashall, this group are going tonight to play a Gaelic football match up in McCullens. What time tonight are you in McCullens?
At 7.
7 o'clock. So if some of you want to join them, you can go up and watch. 7 o'clock tonight they're playing. And will you be playing? Yeah? You'll be on the field playing? Okay, so we're playing Gaelic football. Park patrolling. I can park telling. Good afternoon, Tom. Is that you?
Horrible, honey.
Right, so I'm also.